Hi AMG fans all over the world and welcome to our AMG showroom here in Affalterbach. My name's Philip and today I would like to show you every new detail and highlight of the AMG E63S. I always have to remind myself that this is only a facelift because there are so many changes. Starting with completely new LED headlights. Next, a design element that our designers like to call the shark nose, which leads right into the new AMG specific radiator grille in an A shape, which gives the front of the car a much wider and dynamic appearance. And of course, our large air intakes that make sure that our powerful V8 engine gets enough air to breathe. I hope you can imagine how great it feels to sit within the new AMG E63S right now. We have some major updates that I want to show you. For example, most importantly, the newest generation of our AMG performance steering wheel. You can see our newest user interface generation with a lot of AMG specific content in it, such as the AMG Super Sport screen. And of course, MBUX is finally on board with intuitive voice control as a standard feature. You have the opportunity with so many options to configure your interior as you wish. For example, AMG performance seats, carbon fiber trim part, yellow stitching, 3D Burmester's high-end sound. And I'm sure you will find the perfect setup for you. The new rear of the E63S matches the new front in every aspect. For example, we have implemented completely new two-piece taillights leading all the way into the trunk lid, completely redesigned, which give the rear of the car a much more dynamic appearance. Also thanks to a new rear bumper and new tailpipes and a new diffuser, which also improves the aerodynamics of the car. And thanks to our AMG Night and carbon fiber packages, you have a lot of options to configure your car as you wish. I hope that you are as excited as I am about the new AMG E63S. Stay tuned for more content coming from the home of driving performance, but most importantly, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.